In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find premium fashion on Walmart online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to browse the curated higher-end styles available on Walmart's site, all without getting lost in the wider catalog. First, open your web browser and head to Walmart's website. When the homepage loads, take a moment to notice the top navigation. You'll see options like the search bar and various menus. But for this walkthrough, we're going to use the main navigation to find the premium section quickly and reliably. Look for the departments menu near the top of the page. Click it to open the full list of categories. From there, choose clothing, shoes, and accessories. This is the central hub for all Walmart fashion, and it's where you'll find everything from everyday basics to more elevated pieces. Within this area, you'll see several subcategories and featured sections. Select Premium Fashion. This link takes you to Walmart's curated premium assortment, which focuses on elevated brands, trend-forward designs, and upgraded materials and finishes. Once you're on the Premium Fashion page, you're in the right place to explore. You should see featured collections, seasonal highlights, and recognizable brand tiles. This section is designed to make discovery easy, so you can scan by category or jump directly into a brand's storefront. If you have a specific style in mind, you can still use the search bar at the top, but staying on this page ensures you're browsing within the premium selection. Now start browsing. Use the on-page filters to narrow by size, color, price, or category, and try the sort options to see newest arrivals or bestsellers first. As you click into products, check details like fabric composition, care instructions, and the fit notes to make sure you're choosing the right piece the first time. Photos often include close-ups of texture and hardware, and the description typically calls out features you'd expect from premium lines. If a particular brand catches your eye, click its tile to open the brand's dedicated area and keep browsing there. Brand pages often group items by collection or season, making it easy to build an outfit. Open items in new tabs to compare side by side. Read customer reviews for real-world sizing feedback, and glance at shipping and return information before adding to cart so everything aligns with your needs. And that's it. Navigate to departments, choose clothing, shoes and accessories, click premium fashion, then browse and dive into the brands you love.